If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Nakamoto Games is continuing to shock everyone as it's still on a journey to 1000% technical target. The reason why I'm saying it's shocking everyone is because we are smashing all of these technical targets. In my last update, if we scale back to the 4-hour time frame, we were right over here, and I made a nice little Twitter post about it. We've made a whole bunch of Twitter posts today where we were calling a lot of these moves over the past week. And if you want some more content, head over to the Twitter. Louis_crypto is my name, but use the links underneath this video to avoid scam accounts. We saw in my last update over here, holders get ready, this key level is confirmed. So we saw the support being held, so we're looking for continuation higher. And then boom, just like that, from that point we held above the 20, suggesting for immediate short-term continuation and meeting our final technical target over here, the 2414 fib at $2.20. Absolutely incredible work from Naka. Thank you guys for being a supporter of the channel and yeah, spending your days and hours following along with my content. Hopefully is bringing a lot of value to you guys, and if it is, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. It really is appreciated. And we're trying to get to 7.5k subscribers before the end of this year. Let's see if that's possible. Now, as we have met all of our technical targets, and what an incredible run this has been on. And if you remember, and you were here a few weeks ago, it was even before this breakout. It was back over here while we were underneath the moving averages that I suggested an EMA repel form where we're looking to take out the 786 fib. We saw that and very immediately came back underneath. And very swiftly I said we need to hold this as support as well as the moving averages. So a nice key area made over here within the golden pocket, which we need to hold as support in order to confirm the reversal wave where we will eventually meet this $2.20 target. And this was all called all the way from back over here. I even predicted the move down and confirmation of support to continue to these targets, and we've seen all of this come to fruition. So yeah, if you want to get educated by me so you can learn to do this all by yourself and predict where the markets are going and more specific targets to take profit at, then use the links down below. I'll tell you more about the educational offers at the end of this update, but yeah, to get over to the website or to the Twitter, use the links underneath this video in the description or pinned comment section. Now the question becomes, once we've now met this target, key psychological level as well, $2.20 exactly, we're now looking for a retracement. Now Bitcoin's of course shining right now, 42,000 over the night, and not a lot of alts actually did pump. Now Naka could have been one of them. There were a few that were pumping. A lot of them started to retrace even before Bitcoin's actually started dumping. So it's just because it's Bitcoin's time to shine. Right now, it's not alt season. This will come around the corner. But in the immediate short term, we need to look at the key levels that Nakamoto Games needs to hold in order for bullish continuation. Now, we can see the 200 EMA. I love what it's doing. It's now in line with the 1 fib level, showing that what was once resistance and we were struggling to break through is now the lowest point of support of this uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. So the lowest point of support of this uptrend is $1.50. You do not need to come down to $1.50. It's just as we're looking for buy signals above this point, and if we go ahead and lose $1.50, we're changing the trend completely. So we're a long way from that. We're over 57 cents away from that. So I would say we are totally fine. Don't have to worry about that right now. What we're more focused on are the 20 with these wicks over here. So nice key area of support between $2 psychological level and 207 cents. And then the next level below that point would be this area, which was where I made my last video, hopefully, in that video saying that we hopefully hold this as support for the continuation to those targets. Targets are now met, absolutely smashed. And it's great to see what we've been suggesting on the channel these past weeks is actually coming to fruition. So yes, if we do lose this $2 psychological level, we're coming back down to the 55 moving average between the price of $1.85 and $1.90, a nice little 5 cent level of area of support, and then looking to reclaim the 20 moving average for further continuation higher. Understand that if we do lose the 55, we're putting in a deeper correction, but the time that it takes to come down to this next level of support, we might see the 200 EMA start to drag up even more. Understand that the longer it takes, the more this will move, as each 4-hour period, this at 200 EMA does slightly budge, but not as much as these two. So let's now hold the 55 for a reclaim of the 20 and continuation higher. That is if we lose the 20, but of course right now, as long as we protect $2 and reclaim $207, then we're looking for continuation higher. All I can really do for technical targets to the upside is something like this, where we could be looking at a price target between $2.28 and $2.45, lining up very nicely in confluence with our $2.40 target previously mentioned in the channel, as it's the 786 fib. And remember that dotted line over here, $1.15, is inside of that golden pocket over here. So by getting above that golden pocket, confirming its support as we saw the last few weeks within that range, we are now looking for continuation to the 786 fib, $2.43, which I previously mentioned on the channel. And this move from the $1.15 area where we found support to the 786 high over here, technical target $2.43, is over a 100% move. Absolutely incredible, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's update. Hopefully you are enjoying these gains as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you want to get educated by me so you can do all of this on your own, then use the links down below. I'm going to leave you with a little clip of what you can expect. Cheers, everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.